Hello friends, welcome to Read Study Learn. Today in this tutorial of the affiliation program of Payoneer MasterCard, then how can we earn from just by signing up the Payoneer's account. So first let me introduce about the Payoneer's MasterCard. What is the Payoneer MasterCard and what are the features they offering to their customers. By going to the payoneers.com, we can see in the product option they are providing the global payment services, the mass payment billing services, local bank withdraw, prepaid MasterCard, make a payment, pay on our account, global bank transfer, prepaid MasterCard, mass payout, way to pay, withdraw fund. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the withdraw funds because the creation of the affiliation and the sign up of the affiliation program is concerned about this topic of withdraw funds. Withdraw funds provides you the local bank withdraw. That means after the signing of your account, you will receive the debit MasterCard in the form of a Payoneer debit MasterCard, which consists all of these four features: the local bank withdraw, prepaid MasterCard, make a payment, and mass payout services. After that, how can we earn from just by signing up the Payoneer's account? First, you have to sign up your Payoneer's account. Then after the activation of the Payoneer's account, you can refer your link and promote your link by signing up your account. You can refer your link to the visitors, to your friends, to any others. If that the affiliation link is working, and some of your friends got signed up through your affiliation link, then you will get the $25 as the affiliation program. So this is the way that how can you earn after activating your Payoneer account. So in this tutorial today I'm going to show you how can you earn just by signing up. For this you have to go to readstudylearn.com. In this website, we just defined the banner for the Payoneer MasterCard in the advertising form at the left hand side of our website. For getting the $25 and getting the Payoneer MasterCard, you have to click on the sign up button at the bottom of the Payoneer's banner. After the clicking on the sign up button, it will redirect you to that affiliation link. On that affiliation link, you will receive the information about how can you sign up your account. After that, the affiliation link shows you the complete the Payoneer refer page display that displays you to get paid by marketplaces and direct client worldwide. In this page, as you can see, you have the button with the slogan of sign up and earn $25. By clicking on this button, it will display you a one more dialog. In this Windows dialog, you will receive a two kind of option: local bank account and a prepaid MasterCard. So you have to select the prepaid MasterCard and click on the sign up button. It will redirect you to the form of your personal information. So you have to keep these points in your mind that you have to provide the correct information for getting the Payoneer MasterCard by the courier. After getting that MasterCard and activating that MasterCard with the correct information, you will receive the $25 in your account, and then you can refer all of your friends to that refer link and you get paid on every sign up as $25. So this is the simple topic to get earned from the Payoneer's affiliation program. If you have any query or any question regarding this topic, so you can comment under the video, and please subscribe our channel, that is Read Study Learn. Thank you.